Hey guys and welcome. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at two SmallRig products, being the cage kit for the Nikon Z8, which is the model 3941, as well as the Universal Rotatable Nato side handle bar. Now these are my own units which I've purchased, so when I do review them, you're going to get my honest opinion on them. So let's open these up and see what we have here. This is the cable clamp, so you can keep your cable securely connected. The top handle, which is only included in the kit, or you can purchase it separately. We get a number of mounting points as well as two cold shoe mounts. You also get an Allen key included. And here is the cage for the Nikon Z8. Now this is made from aluminium alloy or aluminum alloy depending on where you're from. Now the cage always goes in from the front. Now this screw prevents the cage from twisting. Now you can remove the camera straps and mount the cage directly onto the body, but I'm going to be using an L bracket as well, so I'm going to keep mine on. SmallRig has a variety of side handles. Now the one that I got is the Universal Rotatable Nato side handle. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.